Oh God, he purring. He sound like a little teeny lawnmower. My little kitty baby. He's so little, him so little. My kitty is 9 weeks, going on 10. Ain't you, kitty? What's that on your eyeball? What's that on your eye? Y'all see the kitty? Y'all hear him purring? Y'all probably can't hear him. But this is my kitty. This is T'Challa. His brother sleep. Sam, he's so cute. I'm ready to put him down. What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyata here. If you're new, welcome. Join the Loc Nation family. And Loc Nation, welcome back. Welcome back. Today, we're going to be doing a updated what I use on my locks and my clients' locks video, okay? All the products that I use, okay? They have changed a little bit since last year. Or the last time I did one of these videos, okay? So I'm going to show you guys the updated products that I use for my locks and my clients' locks, okay? So as you guys know, when it comes to doing your own hair or servicing a client, the first thing we're going to be getting into is cleaning those locks, okay? Washing, all right? And what I use to wash my hair and my client's hair, you guys know that I use the tea tree Dr. Bronner's, okay? It has changed. I am using eucalyptics. I've been using the eucalyptic now, as of late. I've been using the Dr. Bronner's eucalyptic Castile soap to wash my hair and wash my client's hair, okay? When I tell you guys, shampoo could never. This soap cleanses your locks like no shampoo ever can, okay? If you're gonna use shampoo for a specific reason, maybe dandruff or something specific to your particular scalp or hair, by all means do that. But you can also incorporate this, all right, to really strip your locks of oil, dirt, lint, buildup. When I tell you guys, this is the tea, okay? This is the A1 since day one for washing hair. Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, Holy Grail, okay? I do also like the tea tree one, but I like the eucalyptic one as well. So I've been using this one as of late to wash. A new product that I'm going to be showing you guys, which is new to you guys, but not new to me, because I used to use this back in the day, okay? And this brand is Loc, okay? This brand, Loc, was my favorite brand back in the day. I don't know why they stopped. This is the moisturizing conditioner, Loc. It's, when I tell you guys this smells so good, it's unmatched, okay? It is unmatched. And I stopped, you know, I don't know what happened. I don't think it was discontinued, but Loc had shampoo. The oil, Loc oil is the oil that I use, guys. My favorite oil was the Loc oil, and they don't make it anymore. I can't find it anywhere on the internet, in the beauty supply stores, and I be searching high and low. And I was at my beauty supply store. My cousin actually brought this for me. I use this on his hair, and I use it on mine too. Shout out to Jahan. This brand, the oil is the best, y'all. So when the Loc on the shelf, this is the only thing that they selling, man. And this is what I got. This is what we got. This is the moisturizing conditioner, okay? So you can definitely use this after you wash your hair to add moisture to your locks, and it also makes your locks smell wonderful. So this is a new product. Smells so good, y'all. Oh, hypnotizing. I love the smell of this. Loc, y'all, if y'all know where to get this oil, man, let me know, because when they stopped selling this oil, it broke my heart. Loc conditioner. A1 day one, y'all. I'm telling y'all, Loc smells so good, okay? So that's it for washing, okay? Because we don't do a lot of products. We don't have a plethora of products. Y'all know I keep it real simple over here, okay? So that's washing for me and for my clients, all right? That's washing, all right? Now we're getting into the retwists, all right? Now, for those who've been following me for a long time, you guys know this was my holy grail back in the day. And at first, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was talking about Murray's beeswax, like being my A1 day one, okay? Then I got put on with the Talia Wajid Up Loc Nation. You guys know that I switched over from the beeswax to the Talia Wajid Up Loc Nation. I was put on with the Talia Wajid Up Loc Nation when I did my first lock styling competition. Okay, and she sent all of her new products. I think this was a new brand new line of products that she came out with, and she sent over a package to everyone who was a part of the lock styling competition, and this was a part of it, and I used it, and I was like, it's a yes for me. I didn't know that anything could hold so well, and this is the miracle hold, y'all, and it does hold a miracle, okay? While this is good, I done got sold over to the Talia Wajid, and you know, I'm not even going to talk about that. We're not going to get into the lock styling competition because, girl, I did a video on that already, okay? But as of late, I haven't been able to find the Talia Wajid Up Loc Nation online. I still have some in here, okay? But it's, you know, it's a little bit, and I haven't been able to find this online or in the stores, guys. They don't have it in the beauty supply store, so I had to go ahead and choose something else. I stuck with the Murray's brand, and I decided to try the Murray's braiding gel, okay? And it is for locks, braids, twist, okay? And this actually works pretty well, all right? It has a very similar consistency to the Talia Wajid, all right? It does like the same thing. It does hold. It holds very well. It holds very well. And it does work very well. And it's with the same company that I used to use back in the day. So I tried the gel, and I really like this. And I'm just using this because I cannot find the Talia Wajid. So, y'all, what is going on? Is it the turfs? Let me know, okay? So that is what I'm using for retwist. I don't be using this, okay, guys? I just have it because I do. I just have it. So I just figured I'd incorporate it in here and let you guys know, like, this was the A1 day one right here. This is the A1 day one. All right, then we switched over to the Talia Wajid because it is what it is. And she's also a black-owned, it's a black-owned, woman-owned company. So I definitely was sold on that and supporting, okay? But we kind of piggybacked a little bit with the Murrays, okay? But still works great for the retwist, all right? Now when it comes to oils, all right, one of the oils that I love for hair is rosemary oil, okay? This is, you know, oils, once you wash your hair, the oil locks in the moisture, okay? And I love rosemary, okay, for promoting healthy hair growth and healthy hair follicles. I always take rosemary oil, 100% natural rosemary oil, and I drop some into my oils. So when it comes to oils, these are the oils that I'm using right now by Jamaican Mango and Lime, all right? They're pretty much the same thing. They just different bottles, okay? Moringa seed and Manuka honey oil, and they are in the spray bottles, okay? So these are the oils that I'm using currently. And I also put rosemary oil into these, okay? Just to infuse it with rosemary oil. And I switched over as well. I used to use the nozzle oil, you know, the nozzle, but I started using the spray. And the reason I started using the spray over the nozzle is because the nozzle kind of puts too much oil into the scalp, okay? So I just started using the spray because it's more controlled, and it's, you know, you can cover a bigger part of your scalp by just spraying, as opposed to using the little nozzle and just kind of letting the oil drip all through the scalp. So I started using the next thing that I use is, this is tea tree foaming lotion, okay? Now I started using this when I do curls, all right? Because this helps set the curls. Now, mind you, you don't have to use anything to help set your curls. You can just wet your hair and roll it, pipe cleaner, rods, however you're choosing to curl your hair, or do a braid out and just let it dry and set. You don't have to use anything, all right? But over the last couple of months, I started using this foaming tea tree setting. It helps to set your curls. It's just like a extra hold, a little help in holding your curls. And I also see people use this to finish the locks, and it also gives it a sheen, and I guess helps hold your style into place. I rarely do that, but this is something that I started using that is added into my product. Your girl do not be using a lot of products on my hair or my client's hair. I keep it very simple, all right? Very simple, very grassroots, okay? We ain't doing the most, all right? We don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, okay? Stick to what works for you and your hair, all right? Comment down below and let me know what products you use, all right? And if you've ever washed your hair with the Dr. Bronner, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this, because this is A1 day one when it comes to washing hair. I'm trying to put y'all on, okay? Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Support the channel. Comment down below, okay? I don't care if it's an emoji. Like and comment. Help your girl grow. It really helps me a lot. Also, I am now to the level on the YT where you can join my channel, okay? And become a member, all right? And you can help support the channel. I believe when you become a member, you can like commit to like $1 or $3, $5, whatever it says that you can, you know, donate, or just, you know, as a member, you pay like a little, whatever you want to contribute to helping the channel keep going, all right? Because y'all, I love what I do, and you guys love what I do. Support the channel, join the channel. I am going to be coming out with some members only content, so the members will have some perks, all right? So yeah, help support the channel. And y'all supporting a dream, okay? So it's your girl Kenyata here. I'm out because I'm yapping at this point. I'm just it's your girl Kenyata here. And join the channel. Hit join.